Oh, right. They would have been including it in the, the set. Ooh,
Damn.
that's pretty hard. Cocona jump.
Yeah.
Oh, oh my gosh.
Belt. Smooth. Ooh, gotta love the strings though.
Very cinematic music. I think it's a different. It's a little bit different from the past intros for sure. Okay, Mika's off screen. Gone.
Damn, the saxophones runs though.
Yeah. Like I said, doing the most. Everything they know.
Like, bro, the sax and Chisa can compete. Oh my god, my favorite song.
Still one of my favorite parts of the show. That intro.
The fits though, gotta give it to the fans. There's some real good fits
Oh, the
there.
fit. Speaking of fit.
Yes.
Hi folks, welcome back to Vibe Check Reactions. It's your Vibe Check mates. I'm your boy Pao.
And it's your girl Mika. What's good, everybody?
What's good, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to our latest reaction episode. If you like more of these reactions to artists that we stand, follow, love, be sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment down below what other reactions you want us to vibe along with. But for this episode, we're back to another XG episode. And as with XG, usually we've been doing a lot of fan cams, but I think this episode we're gonna do some new videos from the channel. Might give us some hints as to what they're up to next. So I think they released like a video called XGALX Origins: The Birth like 2 days ago, which I haven't watched.
I haven't either. So fresh for both of us. Yeah, can't wait. Let's go.
Let's go. Okay. Right. XGALX Origins: The Birth. Let's go. Some like Game of Thrones intro.
Whoa. Ooh, gotta love the strings though.
Very cinematic music. Ooh, I love the strings there. It's a continuation from Howling. Okay, that's it.
Why'd you laugh like that?
No.
It was like, okay, that's it.
Okay, that's it. I don't know. I don't know what I was expecting. But yeah, I think it's a different. It's a little bit different from the past intros for sure. Okay, Mika's off screen. Gone. Dead.
Sorry. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yes, intergalactic. Mm,
I mean, it continues from Howling. That's literally like
yeah.
the last few shots from, but like more close up version of
Yes.
how the terraforming happened
Yep.
exactly. But what I found more interesting was the track, which is a little bit different
Mm,
from their past intro. Yeah, their past intro tracks. I think it's a little bit
mm-hmm.
different. So I don't know what that will mean for the next comeback. This is very like cinematic with a lot more. It gave me some like Atla vibes towards the end. Yeah. So
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Let us know what you think this means, or if there's some hidden, I don't know,
Lore.
references or clues,
Yeah.
lore in that video. But it would seem pretty straightforward to me.
Yeah.
I think that just means something up is coming. They've released a lot of bangers at the start of the year,
Mm.
January, February. So we're pumped for that. In the meantime, they also
Yeah.
dropped this orchestra version of
This
Winter
was
Without
made for
You.
me. This was made for
Yes.
me.
This is typically a project that Mika would embark on herself
Yes.
on her
Yes.
channel on GTFI. Check that out.
Yes.
uh,
Subscribe. I
but
haven't
this
done an
time,
XG cover in a while, so subscribe.
yes,
Maybe I will
maybe
make one soon.
In the Rain orchestra version.
Yeah,
We'll
yeah,
see.
yeah.
Uh, but in the meantime, I think XG, Jacobs took the note and
PD Nim, you the
and
man. You the
hooked this
man.
up for us
Yes.
fans. So yeah, let's just vibe with it. I've listened to this a couple times already.
Mm.
I'm sure Mika has as well.
Yep.
So let's just vibe
Let's go.
along to the arrangement.
Whew. This is like Christmas dinner music.
Yeah. The sax really doing the most here.
You can hear the violins at the back also. The
Dun, dun,
pizzicato.
dun, dun, dun.
Yes.
Snare coming in.
Ah, that's strings.
Mm.
was also giving like Disney princess.
Right. Hmm.
Damn, the saxophones runs though.
Yeah. Like I said, doing the most. Everything they know.
Like, bro, the sax and Chisa can compete. Yeah. Whew.
I mean, yeah. Perfect Christmas gift for for the alphas out there.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, it would be interesting to see performance with like a more orchestral, maybe not a full orchestra,
Yeah.
but kind of like a more
Yes.
orchestral backing track or even like
Yep.
a accompaniment. But yeah, we'll see. I guess this has challenged, fired up Mika to do do
In
an
the rain.
orchestral cover for "In the Rain," or I don't know which
Howl it out.
B side in the recent album. But yeah, I thought we'd wrap up this XG episode with a tour highlights video on their channel, like literally 18 hours ago. Because this is the last leg of their tour. And yeah, I thought it would be nice to just see what they've been up to
Yeah.
before the new year. Yeah, so let's go.
Yeah.
Cool. Captions on. There we go.
Hi. Good morning. Manchester.
Oh my gosh. Whoa, the makeup palette though.
Couldn't see.
Excellent dancer. Just so good at everything. Ace all rounder. Yeah. We love XG! We love XG!
That's great.
We love XG!
Oh my god. Whoa. That how you
Oh yeah, they were giving out like there's like raffle for like photo cards.
Watch me snap like Motorola typo. I don't wanna hit you this hard and I intro bring down bounce like
Fighting. It's coming crazy.
Shooting star get up.
Take it like this, so don't get
like how they have a lot of like standing, like mosh pit style, like stations. It's nice.
We love XG. We love XG. We love XG.
Still one of my favorite parts of the show. That intro.
The fits though, gotta give it to the fans. There's some real good fits
Oh, the
there.
fit. Speaking of fit.
Yes.
The shoulders. Oh, right. They would have been including it in the set.
Damn.
That's pretty hard. Cocona jump.
London Bridge. It looks real cold. Oh wow, that's so
Looking
cool.
like a pre-concert at TP1, I guess.
If you feel it like a boss, go wash your shoulders off. Ladies be big bosses, go and wash your
Yeah.
shoulders off. When they
They will be in
talking crazy,
Coachella.
don't forget your girl told you
Yeah, we got that lined up already to react.
course.
연해지는 말과 카메라에서 X 무슨은 알대 수제가를 알지 YT 내가 유수는 아직 내 멈춤 Yeah 나만의 모습이 때 말은 더 풀리다네 아프레는 너 두껍게 깨를 주고 zoom
We've reacted to this.
Yes.
Ooh, that's a nice song.
We love you, XG. Continue. Please come to Prague. Yeah, we love you. Bye. Love you, XG. Let's go. We love you so much. We love you so much, and we hope you have a great time here in Berlin or Germany. And please come back. Yes, please.
We love XG. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Those outfits are interesting. Oh, like the all natural. Like,
Yeah, they did
coats
that for left, right, the
I see.
slow down version.
Because they're also like very experimental with their hair and their style.
I mean, it would attract a certain, all the. Oh my gosh.
Belt. Mood.
Yeah, tearing up with Jesus. That's a move.
love you so much. We love you. We love XG. We love XG.
Outfits go well.
Yes.
で来てくれてありがとうな、ジュ
Thank
リア
you for being
大好きだぞ。
Reaction to this. Was that Maya?
解禁コーラ解禁コーラ解禁最近解禁結構前からしてた。ありがとうね。ちーちゃんのチューちーちゃんのチューちーちゃんのチューちーちゃんのチューありがとうあ、いい一年になりそうやな。一年だぜ。ありがとう。
Ooh, what a cool sticker.
Their looks are just beautiful.
So many amazing performances each time.
We love their dance and how they rap. They're so talented. A big impact on the music.
Everything we do is for the other gallery.
Really appreciate that
Was that
SG just enjoy the stage and enjoy your journey.
Did I just see an igloo cover?
Bringing the heat, head to the sky. I am the prize, we're on the rise. You ain't seen nothing. Miss someone tight, gonna keep you on your tippy toes. 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 That's the way it goes. Gonna keep you on your tippy toes. Bounce that, make it go. Trampoline, bounce that to the floor. Trampoline, bounce that, make it go. Trampoline, bounce that to the floor. Trampoline, boy, 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 make it go. Trampoline, 3, 2, 1, action. We're so excited to come to Amsterdam for the first time. Thank you so much, Alpha. Thank you so much. Okay, Amsterdam Alphas, are you ready to be Come crazy tonight?
It looks so lit. How you should have been up on Cam
I think all the Europe and UK stages were like mostly standing.
Yeah,
End of an
I wish I
era.
were there.
End of
I wish I were
a.
there.
I'm sure they're gonna have another one in the next year or
Howl
so.
will be there for me.
Once more.
Yes.
Yeah, no, I think that was you know, I don't know if you guys will notice, but I'm literally just smiling the whole reaction
Mm.
through,
Mm.
even if we're not saying anything.
Mm.
Yeah, it's always great to see them perform live, and I don't think, I mean, their songs never get old, man. I don't know what it is, at least for me. So let us know if there are any alphas from Europe or those who have been following them. I don't know if they're actually, I don't know how many alphas actually like followed the group like across the world, or is there anybody
Whoa.
who actually like flew along with them, you know,
Yeah.
like went to
Let us
different
know in the
concerts in
comments.
different, let us know in the
Yeah.
comments if you actually did watch more than once,
Yeah.
and
Or
managed
if
to catch
you
them in
watched
like
any show,
different, or if you
relive the
watched any
moments
show.
with Pow.
Yes.
Relive
I
the
mean, the
moments
fan
with
cams
Pow.
from Manila are always in our channel, and we reacted to a couple of other fan cams across their tour. So yeah, just congratulations to XG on this you know, huge world tour. Super excited for what's up next with
Pow will be
Origins.
there.
And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next XG reaction. If you want to check out our other reactions, we have a ton of them in our channel. Subscribe for more. Comment down below what else you should react to. And we'll see you guys in the next one. In the meantime, keep vibing.